Henry, we're going to be heating up as we get into October, sometimes referred to as the second summer. I like to always joke about it this way. We have 4 seasons here. Yes, almost summer, summer, still summer, and Christmas. Those are our 4 seasons. I want to begin with air quality, though. Tomorrow, an Ozone Action Day alert as we are going to create bad ozone when it comes to tomorrow's air. What does that mean? Well, when emissions are cooked up in daytime heating hours, we can sometimes create a lot of bad ground ozone. Remember, ozone is good up high, bad nearby. Good up high for the protection from ultraviolet rays from the sun, but bad nearby, you don't want to breathe it in. So when the emissions are really out there in the daytime heating, that's why we want to cut the grass early. You want to refuel early or late. Just don't do it between, say, noon and 6 p.m. The heat of the day, and we're expected to get into the lower 90s tomorrow, is definitely when we cook up a lot of bad ozone. So spare the air of emissions tomorrow. We're going into it with a moderate air quality. So at least level yellow isn't too bad, and we'll hopefully keep it that way tomorrow. Outside tonight, the winds are calm. That's one of the culprits in producing poor air quality. We're not moving the air out. And then the other is the heat. Right now we're cloudy and 80, and it feels like 80. Dew point all day has been closer to 50, so comfortable air. It'll be comfortable tomorrow morning. Hottest air was east of the city, 93 Gonzales, 92 Hallettsville, but then 86 Del Rio, 85 Uvalde, only 81 at Rock Springs. We stopped at 87, as we should. An A+ for San Antonio's climate data today, 64, a nice morning. And it looks like we closed the books on September with just 1.25 inches in the gauge. Speaking of which, we did get some rain today. Not very much. Del Rio, Eagle Pass, a little bit near Rock Springs. Now it's down I-35. A couple of better little downpours near Encinal. Might make it up to Cotulla, but it's a long shot. Won't make it up to San Antonio, and moving forward, we won't see any rain. Tomorrow morning's going to be mostly clear. Nice morning. 66 in the city, 58. If you're waking up in Kerrville, it's going to feel real good. Rock Springs down to 55. Then by the afternoon, 92. Another nice morning coming on Wednesday. I mean, these mornings have been spectacular with this drier air in place, but the afternoons will heat up. In fact, on our first day of October, we're hitting 94. Pretty warm. Now, the little disturbance that was kicking up some of those showers gone tomorrow, so we're completely dry. From this viewpoint, you can also see Humberto and Imelda. Let's track the tropics. Take a look. This is a monster hurricane. Category 4 with, well, not anymore, but Category 2 now. Winds of 115 moving north into Category 3, actually. North-northwest at about 14 miles per hour. So Bermuda's on the wrong side of this and probably going to be getting a pretty good lashing, if not from Humberto, but then Imelda. And what a change on this track. South Carolina was expecting a landfall. It was going to go due north. Now it's going to take a hard right and be the second storm Bermuda deals with before we even get to the weekend. All right, time for the KENS 5 exclusive 14-day forecast from San Fernando Cathedral. It is rain-free. We're heating up 93 to 95 Wednesday. Then we'll get back down to about 91 for the first weekend of October. But keep in mind, that's still above average. We'll get to some 80s, but not until next week, and no chance of rain in this forecast.